Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from January 11th to January 17th. Sunday, January 11th, is our reopening anniversary since Hurricane Sandy. We have shown so much charge and have grown so much as a community since this event. Monday, January 12th, from 2:45 to 3:35 p.m., we will have our reading intervention program. From 3:35 to 4:35 p.m., we will have Black History Month rehearsals for our involved students. High school drama rehearsals will take place simultaneously in the theater. Tuesday, January 13th, from 2:45 to 3:35 p.m., we will have another reading intervention program. High school drama club rehearsals will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. in the theater. From 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., there will be a principal's report. Then, from 6:30 to 7 p.m., there will be a Parent Association general meeting. Wednesday, January 14th, will be our picture retake day for our scholars who are unhappy with their photos or may have missed the original photo date. From 2:45 to 3:35 p.m., we'll be having another reading intervention program. Band rehearsals will be held from 2:50 to 4:50 p.m. for students involved. Black History Month rehearsals will be from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. High school drama club rehearsals will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. in the theater. And on Thursday, January 15th, there will be a farm trip to the local school to distribute produce grown here by 11th and 12th grade farm elective. 2:45 to 3:35 p.m., we'll have another reading intervention program. And high school drama club rehearsals will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 in the theater. Finally, Friday, January 16th, we will be having our student government dress down day. Be sure to follow by all dress code day guidelines and enjoy the day. There will be a high school dance residency practice from 12:15 to 1:15 p.m. for those involved. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you guys next time.